in the way ate. Ay siya. Uga.
Ang ina ni naman ang kasakit magpagwapain na lang. Nukwardan ko ba siya na magtanong ako?
Sige.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my Ideally,
Hi guys. To thread her eyebrows. I haven't threaded her eyebrows since 2015.
5 years.
Yeah, it was 5 years ago. I started threading her eyebrows when I was gonna have my debut, and yeah, she always has these thick eyebrows, and I'm always to shape her, and it's messy, but we can try fix it. And it's also thick. Eyebrows are very important, because it frames your face. So if we shape the eyebrows, get rid of hairs, it can clean up the face, and it makes your face looks more flawless. That's what for me, because if I don't clean my eyebrows, my face feels messy. So that's why I try to thread it, and also my eyebrows joints here, so I need to thread it, or else I'll become, who's that lady that's got one eyebrow? I forgot her name, but she has like flowers on her head. You can just comment, like, subscribe.
So, let's start!
So we'll never finish this because she keeps screaming.
Sakit man yun.
I know, but you have to take the pain. Pain is beauty. Beauty is pain. Your hand is like in the way ate. How can I? Oh, I think they man.
Gamay mo ba dito siya? Sana all. Hindi dito po dito.
Ako ito. Uga! Yan ang galit. Sakit na di ako. Baby hair.
Baby hair.
I need to clean up here. Your hand is in the way.
Napulma na siya.
Ha?
Napulma na siya pero sakit.
Ay, lisod son. Your hair's in the way. Come closer, please.
Aray!
Ay! I'm harsh because she's not complying.
Kaagong blind. What's
Not-
the iula?
She nag-comply, but she nag-face mask.
Hindi kayo sakit kaya kasi hindi naman po. So, unsa na pila na ni ka percent dan, ma'am?
Wow! So I finished her eyebrows here. I just cut it, I threaded it, and the little hairs that can't be caught by the thread, I just tweezed it. And this one is nearly finished. I'm figuring out where to tweeze. Like, I'm trying to the other one. You know, this would be quicker if she actually doesn't, every time I thread, she doesn't rub her eyes.
Sakit man gid. It's so painful. Ouch.
But like I said to her, beauty is pain.
Beauty is pain.
I don't know that song.
Dapat more na kung sinadin lustre ani or di ba
Kana hard kaya na.
kuan jade third wall sa Little Mix. Ouch. Ang ina ni naman ang kasakit magpagwapain na lang.
Gaga.
Sakit kaayo.
Pero look at it, mommy. It looks clean now.
Kaila ko.
And then I'm gonna make her look like, yes, ate, you're not normal.
Harsh kayo. Wait. So, continue sa amin. So, ano ni? Dana ni da?
They're done now.
Done.
Yes. So I'll give you a close up of her eyebrows. Fortunately, I didn't show you her before eyebrows, but this is her eyebrows now. She has very nice, thick eyebrows, so can be easily shaped. Done. How was the experience?
Painful. Very.
Would you do it again? Looking at your eyebrows now, would you get your eyebrows
Yeah.
done again?
The pain is, say tawag na, the pain is worth it. Yeah. I guess I'll do it again. Marupok eh.
How would you score the pain? Pain score 0 to 10. 10 being pain.
11.
Was it painful?
11. Sakit ko. Nagilak-hilak ako.
But look at those eyebrows.